It's going to take a little bit more time, but content creation. The thing I like about content creation is that even though people are making money as content creation, but we're literally like, even in 2025, we're literally just tapping into the content creation industry. So right now it's we're barely starting off, but 5 years, 7, 10, 15, 20 years from now, it's going to be $1 billion industry. It's going to continue to grow. So the reason why I say content is because, in my opinion, the content creation would be more for like long term. As of right now, I've been creating content on YouTube for years and years and years and years. I would say that I haven't been as consistent as I want to be, but at the same time, I'm looking at it as a long-term thing. I'm not monetized on YouTube, and it's gonna probably take a while for me to get monetized. But the videos that I post on this platform is evergreen. So whether it's 2025, 2029, 2035, these videos are gonna still be on the platform, and eventually I'm gonna get monetized, and those videos are gonna compound. That's kind of the thought I'm looking at when it comes to YouTube, is that it's a long-term thing, but at the same time, once you start getting money and you start generating income off of YouTube, then you pretty much, like, you just keep going from there, and you can get brand deals. Like, there's a lot of different ways you can make money on YouTube. That's a separate video I can make. But YouTube, it doesn't necessarily have to be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I know there's a lot of people that make money on TikTok. I would say, honestly, probably the easiest platform to grow on would be TikTok. Then YouTube, I would say, is more of a long term, but in my personal opinion, I do think that YouTube is probably the best platform, just because it lives long term, and YouTube has been consistent, hasn't changed. YouTube has been here for years. Like, it just has a good track record. But yeah, so content creation, that's not something you can make money right away, but it's something that if you are looking to like build something in the future, or you're looking, long term, YouTube content creation is a good option.